Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and this is the Sea Ray 23 SPX. This is a 2008 model in our showroom here in Jacksonville Beach. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough with you on this boat, show you some of the nice features and benefits of this boat. First off, when you're starting at the back here, very reliable, very fuel efficient Mercury 4-stroke. That particular engine on this boat, it has a 5-year warranty standard on it, as does everything else on the boat. This boat has got a 5-year stem to stern warranty that you get with buying every Sea Ray sport boat. So great, quiet engine, super fuel efficient. You'll love the way it's packaged up with this boat. Ski piling right here, so you don't need to try and hook up any ski bridles to lifting eyes back in the back. So pull tubes, pull skiers, plenty strong to do any of that with. You also have a stereo remote back here, so if you're sitting back on the back of the boat dangling your feet in the water, you don't have to go back up to the stereo that's in the cockpit to change to your station or change your CD. You've got an aft facing seat back here. We move forward. Put this aft facing seat down if you don't want to use it. And then this is something that's really nice about a outboard powered runabout. Look at the huge storage space that you get with this boat. Put your beach chairs in there, your beach bags, towels, cooler. Everybody's gonna have a ton of stuff. You need a lot of room, a lot of storage space on a boat like this to fit everybody's stuff in there. You've got designated storage for your table. One of your tables is already placed out here in the cockpit. There's the other one in here, so you can see how it stores its table base and the tabletop, and that's gonna go up in the front of the boat. But that's just cavernous, really nice, fit all your stuff on board for a full day of boating. If you look at the material on the Sea Ray, I mean, you can look right away and tell that this is the firmness on it, the thickness of the material. You can tell that this is luxury. There's no doubt about it when you get on this boat and you feel it, and you start to see what makes a Sea Ray a Sea Ray. Going forward, this boat has the Rockford Fosgate sound system in it, and it's got the upgrade with the subwoofer, which is right down here, and the amp. So a great sound system on a 23-foot boat. Look at the beautiful wood grain steering wheel on here. Tilt steering wheel. Matches your wood grain dash. Flip up thigh rise bolster, so if you like to stand up and drive, you've got room to stand up and drive. Or if you want to sit down, put your feet on the feet rest, you've got plenty of room there too. Again, adjust that steering wheel where you want it. Same seat on the port side for your passenger. This boat is rated for 13 people, a 23-foot boat, 8'6" wide. It's huge. This is a really big boat on the inside for a 23. You see this kind of room on our competition's 25-footers. So you've got plenty of room for your family, all their friends, 13 people. That's a great capacity for a 23-foot boat. Look down below here, you've got a head on this boat. As we move forward, plenty of stretch out room. The nice thing about the design of the SPX is that they carry their width further forward. Instead of coming to a sharp point at the front, they stay a little bit wider, and that gives that great leg room that we've got up here in the front. So even somebody that's 6'3", 6'4", 6'5", you've got plenty of leg room. Or if you're sitting across from each other here, your knees aren't banging into each other. So you can easily fit 3 people in the bow of this boat here. This is the Sea Ray 23 SPX. It's located at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Come see it today.